Want to make your commercial space stand out? Whether you manage an office, retail store, or apartment complex, adding the best electric fireplace can create a warm, inviting atmosphere that sets your property apart. Why electric fireplaces are ideal for commercial spaces. Electric fireplaces are the perfect choice for commercial spaces. With no real flames, they offer the ambiance of a traditional fireplace without the risks. No smoke, no sparks, and no venting required. Just a beautiful, maintenance-free feature that's easy on the budget. There are several options to choose from. Wall-mounted fireplaces offer a modern, space-saving design. Built-in fireboxes give a sleek, authentic look by hiding cords and wires. And if you have a long wall, linear fireplaces make a bold statement, perfect for lobbies and waiting rooms. Customization is key. With brands like Net Zero and Dimplex, you can choose between contemporary or traditional wood-burning looks. Change the flame intensity and even select different wood types like birch or driftwood, all with just a touch of a button. For those prioritizing sustainability, consider Fireplace electric flames. These fireplaces use pure water vapor to simulate flames, making them an eco-friendly alternative. Plus, electric fireplaces are incredibly cost-effective, with many models under $1,000, saving you on installation and maintenance costs. Elevate your commercial space with the best electric fireplace. It's safe, stylish, and sure to leave a lasting impression on everyone who walks through your doors. Ready to enhance your property? Contact Dreyfus Fireplaces today and start warming up your building. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on how to upgrade your space.